Very good morning, friends. I am Nalnakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. Finally, the market attempted to break above this range, but it was not successful. The closing was below the open. So, market is buying time. But even though the close is below the open on the daily basis, but the close is above the range. This was the close, previous close. Here, you can see the close over here. If I change it to line chart, the close is above all these levels. That means it is a range breakout and not with very strong momentum. The close is not with a strong momentum. Yesterday, what happened in the market is, let me go to the lower time frame and show you. It consolidated. It made an high, opened here, opened around 25,140. Pre-market settlement was around 25,160, but it could not sustain there. It started coming down. It halted around 25,076, exactly at the breakout of the previous candles. And then it traded in a narrow range throughout the day. So it was a sideways type of market wherein both call and put options were written over there. The thing, what has happened here, and the when I apply this volume profile, the point of control has moved over here. The interest has moved to the upper side. That is a positive sign. We need to see today what will happen. It may be a double bottom. It can go up. Suppose if it starts trading above this level, 25,142 to 25,160, then there is a chance for market moving higher. The VIX levels, VIX calculations are 14.69. Based on that, the levels to note down is 25,296 on the upper side and 24,910 on the lower side. So, if the market opens gap up again, like this, gap up, and if it starts continuing towards the upper side, be on the buy side. Be on the buy side. Market may see the levels of 25,270. This gap up itself suggests that big money push over here, but the consolidation is making people to confuse. Don't go short unless until if it breaks below 24,968 because the structure is positive. This is high, higher high, and anywhere any dip around within this area is a buying opportunity. That means between 25,006 to 25,093, it is a buying opportunity. Suppose if the market does like this in the initial hour and goes down and takes support, if it pierces through this level, 25,160, then it can move. It has got momentum towards 25,296. So it can be another day of consolidation. We have seen such type of movement many times after a parabolic move, and the market rests for nearly 1 or 2 days. It can even go today also, sideways also. The initial movement, when it opens, we can make out whether it will be a range day or a a trend day. So if you come to know it is a trend day, trade with the positive bias. So these are the levels you just note down on the weekly level is 24,589 and weekly high to be 25,615. Today's levels are 24,910 to 25,296. These are the levels you can note down on your chart and trade accordingly. The price action was sideways, even though it has closed below the open but above the previous day high. Coming to the Bank Nifty also did the same thing. After gap up, it went sideways. Same type of behavior you can see over here. And markets, if it starts crossing this level, it can go sideways even today also. If it crosses with the 5711, then it can reach the level of 57,728. The immediate resistance is 57,011 and first support is around 56,135. And it is a consolidation box. After the huge move and before closing on Friday, it was a consolidation. And the gap up, and it is consolidation. Probably this pattern may continue, gap up, and it may go consolidation. So, consolidations are very difficult to trade, but it is not for option buyers. So, if you see consolidation, stay away. You will get a trade like this. For option buyers, one trade is enough for the option buyer. So wait for your day and take the trade. If you wait patiently, definitely you will get rewards. You need not trade on every day. So when the market indices goes sideways, you can go for selecting the stocks, and there will be plenty of stocks, trending stocks available in the market. You can trade with them. Thank you very much, friends. I've already made some, screeners for that, and I have given it to you people. You can utilize for stock trading. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off. I wish you all the best.